Hello everyone, my name is Dan Honovic. This is my third semester, and I'm taking 3 courses within the Mallet program. My STEM/STEAM project is going to revolve around electrical circuitry and electrical circuits as far as industrial wiring and motor control, and also focusing heavily on PLC programming. In the previous submission, as far as STEAM and STEM options, I truly had a hard time finding a lot of free options. Right here on Lydia, which I wish I would have looked at first, I was able to add actually an entire course, as you can see here on the left side, that deals with PLC programs, ladder logic, explaining ladder logic, and the one simulator that they have, which this video currently running, actually ties right into the program that we use in RS Logix 5000. Although this says that it's RS Logix 500, it looks relatively similar. So I was able to use that and put it on my playlist. So I've already watched a few of the videos, as you can see. Sorry about that. They're very informative. It's a very basic level for basic understanding, which we do cover. And it's truly my passion. I mean, I've dedicated a lot of time and research and things like that, as far as in the classroom and in my personal life as well, looking up options. And DigiKey, which I think I still have up here, DigiKey offers a kit called an Arduino, and the Arduino comes with a series of items. As you can see, there's a lot of items: buzzers, alarms, sirens, push buttons, things like that. It's not quite a PLC, but it seems to be the most affordable option. So moving forward into my STEM/STEAM project, I'll definitely be looking at the Arduino products a little bit more. I have seen them demoed in classrooms before, and they seem relatively simple. Usually an online software, and they work right off of your home laptop, which is nice, so they don't require a whole lot of data because everything is web-based. And that's really the goal. The biggest problem that I see, another website here called Tina, they offer circuitry design and things like that online as well. But again, it's not free. They offer a free demo, but then you have to purchase the full version. Delmar is another one that offers a free electrical simulator as far as residential and commercial wiring. They don't do a whole lot of industrial, as far as I could tell. We actually work with this program at my school, and if you buy the textbook, or if you buy the textbook program for $250, you don't have to pay for the online training simulator, which is really nice. But again, it's an investment, and if the students can afford it, that'd be great. But really, the constraints of our program, budgeting and things like that, it's tough to get students to the software and the products that they need. So overall, I really love teaching. I'm really enjoying what I do. I put in my contact information that I am a part-time teacher and a full-time golfer, which I'm sure I'm not the only one that wishes they could play a professional sport or do something like that as their actual profession. But I am the assistant golf coach at Hudson Valley, so that kind of gives me hope. But it is my passion, both controls, teaching, and also golf. I'll see if I can get this uploaded to YouTube, and thank you guys for your time. Bye.